So ayan mga session, nandito na kami sa bahay, kakarating namin. Nandito na kami sa bahay na. So ayan mga session, ang try ni Jowa yung Jean. Diyos ko, Lord!
Yes.
Winter, no leaves.
Really, the leaves are so far down.
No, of course not.
You think that's the owner of the court?
Yeah. So yun mga session, dito tayo sa hotel, Casa Familia Hotel, dito sa Aurora. First time namin dito at ngayon ko lang nakita tong hotel na to. Feeling ko bago lang siya. Ah, my God. Mate. Aji may isa kasi yung kada.
And the other bench?
They will gonna bring it for us. Ayan mga session, maganda yung ano nila, kwarto dito. Ayan.
Which room is this? Huh? The superior?
Yeah, so this is our room mga session. Di ba, maganda siya. Tapos, nandito ang ating CR. Wow. Ayan.
A few moments later.
So, ayan mga session, dito na kami sa bahay, kakarating namin. Andito na kami sa bahay namin.
Look, big music for Kayo.
So, how do you find our old house?
Beautiful. Of course.
This is where we had grown.
Really nice.
Christmas tree ni Mother Earth. Yan.
Beautiful.
Yan.
And this is your dad's motorbike.
Yes.
Cool.
Another motorbike here.
But he never drives it, right?
This one.
Your husband.
Ay, inikat ni Magam Jiharang na ito yun na, oh.
Also yours.
Aday, di nagawin ito, kadaharang na. Ay, kunakman, oh. So, this is where I grew up, be.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
Oh, ito po yung lumang bahay namin, mga
The
seswa.
cat is afraid of.
So, ayan mga seswa, ang try ni Jowa yung Jean. Diyos ko, Lord. Ayan yung Jean, si Jowa.
Salamat po.
Try niya yung Jean.
Oh, you have to like this.
Little only, be.
Small zip or big.
Get a
like short?
cheeser, be.
Yes. Become
And?
business.
Good.
Ah, my God. Diyos ko, Lord.
Salamat po.
Oh. So, how's the experience of Jean?
I'm breathing fire now. If you hold lighter, like dragon. Yeah.
Okay, so tunay namin
I
mga
noticed
seswang yung
Filipino
beer
people,
galing
they like to
Netherlands.
take shots.
Ayan. Mga seswang na tayong ano, Filipino, ano tawag dito?
Thank you, Donna.
Filipino biscuits.
Of course, I need to try the halo halo.
If you drink alcohol, you should have the Happy Peanuts
that's
for
true.
pulutan.
A few moments later.
So ayun mga seswang, yung Casa Familia Hotel dito sa Isabela, bago lang siya. They opened last Friday and we are the first ever guest sa hotel na to mga seswang, pero ang ingay ng kanilang kwarto sa gilid. So nagpalipat kami ng kwarto mga seswang, di ba?
I don't think we can buy water because it's closed.
24 hours. So they have Christmas tree here. Ayan.
No, it's closed.
So ayan mga seswang, nagutom kami ni Jowa, nakauwi na kami ng hotel, galing kami sa bahay namin mga sesh. So ito yung restaurant. I think parang snack bar ng hotel mga seswang, di ba? Ang ganda ng location nila, oh. Ayan siya. At okay naman yung price mga seswang, reasonable naman siya, maganda. Kaso nga lang, the room beside the road is really noisy mga sesh, and they have construction upstairs, so it's like uncomfortable. Pero I think noisy because the window is not really soundproof. So if they're going to change their window, I think it's gonna be alright. So I think they have to fix it before the complaint of the guests, as
I think we need to
especially
move.
especially we are the first guest here. They opened the hotel last Friday, so we are the first ever customer in the hotel na nag-check-in mga Szechuan, di ba? So ito. Ito yung paligid mga Szechuan dito sa Aurora Isabela. Ayan, yung kanilang hotel.
You need to walk all around now. I will ask you.
Good morning mga Szechuan. So, nakagising na kami ni Jowa. Our first night sleep in this hotel. For me, I sleep okay, but I keep waking up. But Yo slept.
I slept like a princess.
You slept good?
I finally made friends with the rooster because I don't wake up because of
Yeah. Kasi mga Szechuan, doon sa hotel namin sa Manila, si Yos, gising ng gising or hindi siya nakatulog kasi yung tilaok ng manok. Akalaan nyo yung alas 2 ng madaling araw, tumilaok na yung manok, wala na, hindi na siya nakatulog. Pero dito, nakatulog siya ng mahimbing. At finally, yung kwarto na nahanap namin, or yung naipagpalit namin last night ng 3 beses, okay na ngayon yung pangatlo. So, tahimik na siya. Pero yung construction, siyempre mamaya maingay. Pero sa gabi naman, wala naman. So, ito nga pala mga Szechuan yung kanilang hotel. So, ayan mga Szechuan yung kanilang hotel. Pakita natin. Ayan.
even coffee is included in the breakfast.
You need to ask.
And water.
So ayan mga session, nakaserve na yung ating breakfast. At ang kinuha ko ay hot silog. And Jowa is trying rice
I'm
with
jealous.
egg and bacon.
I'm jealous on the sausage nutrition.
He tried this hot dog and it tastes really good. Plus we have ketchup. So ayan mga session, yung kanilang hotel room rate is 1,800 for superior double room. Meron siyang private shower and toilet. Plus meron na siyang complimentary breakfast for 2 person.
A few moments later.
Okay mga seswa, ayan. Akit
You
ng
ready?
buko si Kuya Junior. Oh, sige, ulit tayo na. Diyos ko Lord, nga to. Oh. Ah?
There he goes, the king
Ay,
of
madi
coconuts.
kasi agsuyot. Ori sakit, madi. Ayan, mga seswang, ang aking asawa ng pinsan ko ay umakit ng buko. Ay, okay na tinag.
There he comes. Bingo.
Okay.
Yan, sabre mo dito ka. Sabre mo dito ka.
Ayan. Ayan mga seswang, meron
And
tayong
every
fresh
year
buko.
the new coconut grow. Every year have harvest.
May buko.
I climbed the coconut tree.
You can?
No.